Could you tell me your name and what's in here, man?
Tyler Moore. I got 4 EVL Scar 15s on a Crescendo 17K, clamping about 10,000 watts on a Burp.
So is this? I see you had something here.
Yes. So behind this box, I built this in about 4 hours to make it the slam. I blew my ZB518 Saturday, and my recons came Friday. So here I am.
So you pretty much plugged it in place, get it ready for the show. Okay.
Yeah, that's
so
why it's so far behind the B pillar.
Like, your port area looks pretty small.
It's 30 inches back.
Oh, okay. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
No sandbagging on that one.
Team dropping bolts. So what is this? Like plexiglassed in with the airflow, or?
Yeah, I got intake and exhaust. I got the fans right there. I'm running on a B2 1200.6 for the highs and mids.
Nice. Oh, I see how you do it. Okay.
Yeah.
That's pretty sweet. It's a good idea.
It moves some air, man, as you can tell. I mean,
yeah.
It's
a good amp. Oh yeah. Awesome. Don't blow nothing.
Last year you were at a slam fest and I had that dude sleeping on the back of the truck, remember?
There's a lot of demos. I don't remember that one, but that's crazy. Just sleeping on the back.
On the back of the truck, but lo and behold,
yes, it is.
Oh wow.
Last YouTuber that was in here was Jacob, and smoked them.
Don't smoke them.
Still ain't closed.
So whose is this?
It's Tyler's.
Awesome.
It's our head hair for her trick.
All right, I'm ready, man.
Yeah, it's for my hair. Oh, you're gonna have no hair.
It's on a 17K at half on?
yes.
Oh God. What are you peaking at? Your frequency peak?
35 hertz.
35, okay. Nice shade.
Yeah, the seal's blowed out.
Oh, that too,
I've been trying to fight with it.
Man.
I put sound deadener on it and it ripped through the sound deadener. It's got the speaker wires going through it front to back.
Genius, man.
It's got 6 bags of 60-pound concrete and about 3 kits of pour foam. It's solid.
All right.
If my phone will load.
Your screw on that one sub is backed out.
I don't know what's going on with my phone.
Man,
Goofy, hold on.
you're good. This is some serious stuff. You got the whole floor wooden.
When you get out, you can hit the sides and it doesn't nothing.
Jeez.
Hit it with a hammer, it'll scratch the paint.
Only thing I think you're missing is a brace.
She's solid.
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around. We just got a Tyler system he was showcasing at the Made of Steel show in 2021, Tampa, Florida, for the area location of the show. Pretty impressive to see how much space he utilized to fit all of this cabin work in this vehicle to get this thing as loud as it is. And during this demo, you're actually going to see the sub smoke. Really like the way he has his subwoofer wall. Of course, he is still fine-tuning it. He spent just a few hours to get it set up for the show. If you notice how extreme this vehicle is, he actually even worked on his fab work on his doors, floor platform, front dash. Pretty much everything is wooded, concreted, and really solidified. Really powerful lithium bank. I didn't find out the electrical of the system, just know he's running a 17,000 watt amplifier at half ohm. I really like the way he has his amplifier cooling system with a push-pull system, so if you haven't already, go ahead and give him a like as well as comment what you like about his system. Did a really good job. You're actually going to see the sub start smoking coming out of the port right after the demo as well. So hope you all enjoyed the video. Hit the like button, and if you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily car audio video demo videos coming your way every day on YouTube. Jacob Vile, and enjoy.
Shepherds we shall be, free, Lord, free. Power hath descended forth from thy hand above. Swiftly carry out thy command. So we shall flow a river forth to thee, and teeming with souls shall it ever be. When the passion, it feeleth, smooth and warm.
Something smoking? Oh. You alright?
It does it sometimes.
This place was Armageddon.
Get out. Thanks for the demo. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.